I have a pinhole leak in my air compressor tank. I could spot weld it, but I don't know how much corrosion is in there, and the heat will probably deteriorate the metal further. So I cut part of the metal out here to expose the pinhole. I'm going to try to drill it out right through the pinhole and then tap it and plug it. Before that, I'm going to inject epoxy into the tank and hopefully get that to settle where that corrosion is taking place. Okay, this is the final result of the repair after 24 hours of curing. It's pretty solid around that machine screw. And if my plan worked, there should be a little pool of the epoxy on the inside of the tank above that leak spot as well. Hopefully this worked and I can continue using this compressor. I extended the new valve out just a little bit, and this is easier to reach. And this is the old valve, which is up in this little tight space and difficult to reach. I put these silicone bumpers on these extension feet here. Was it worth the time? Should I have just gone out and bought a new compressor? I don't know. We'll see.